Dear students, today we are going to discuss how to solve a quadratic equation by the factorization method. Factorization method. For that, let us take an example of a quadratic equation 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Students, this is a quadratic polynomial. Already you have learned in class 9 how to factorize a quadratic polynomial by the middle term splitting method. By the same way, here we shall solve the equation. Solution. Once again, you rewrite the equation 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Implies 2x square plus, we have to split the term for this 5, this place is kept, x, this plus 3 is equal to 0. First of all, by the coefficient of x square, we have to multiply the constant term 3 so that 2 3s are 6. Now we have to find two numbers for 5 which will be found from 6, and we have to pay attention that if the sign is positive, then whatever numbers we are going to write here, both the numbers will be positive. If it is negative, then whatever numbers we shall write here one will be positive, another one will be negative, but here it is positive, so that both the numbers will be positive, and this number will be found from the 6, so that we have to find the prime factors of this 6. Then the 6 is divisible by 2 3 times, and this 3 is divisible by 3 itself 1 times, so that prime factors of 6 are found 2 3 1. Now we have to find two numbers whose sum is 5 and the product of these two numbers will be 6. That numbers will be found from the prime factors of 2 3 and 1, so that one number will be 2 and the another number will be 3 into 1, that is 3. Sum of these two numbers is 5 and the product of these two numbers will be 6. Therefore, this 5 will be replaced by these two numbers 2 and 3. Now we have to remove these brackets. Therefore, 2x square plus 2 into x, that is 2x, plus 3 into x, that is 3x, plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to see the common in these two terms and common in these two terms. Then common we have to see one for number, another for variable. Here in this term 2 is there, here 2 is there, so that 2 is common. Here in x square, that is x into x, here also x is there, so that x is common. That is, in these two terms we can get 2x common. Then from this term 2 is taken common, 1x is taken common, 1x is left, plus then from this term 2 is taken common, x also taken common, nothing is left, so that 1 is left, plus now in these two terms here 3 is common. Here variable x is there, there is no variable in this term, so that common is not there in variable. Then from this term 3 is taken common, x is left, this plus, and this 3 is taken common, so that it is 1 equal to, it is 0. Then in these two terms once again we have to check the common. Here x plus 1 is there, here also x plus 1 is there, so that we can take x plus 1 is common. Then x plus 1 is taken common, bracket started. Then from this term x plus 1 is taken common, 2x is left, this plus, then from this term x plus 1 is taken common, that is 3 is left, equal to 0. Already up to this you have learned in class 9. Now you see product of, it is one number, this is another number, the product of these two number is 0. It means that any one of this must be 0, either x plus 1 is 0 or 2x plus 3 is 0, but we do not know which one is 0, x plus 1 or this 2x plus 3. So that we considered either x plus 1 is 0 or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation. Students, already you have learned how to solve a linear equation in class 8. First of all, we have to separate the variable and constant. Variable is x kept in left side, and this number plus 1 will be transferred to right side, that is minus 1, implies same thing to be done here. 2x variable is kept in left side and number 3 is taken to right side, that is minus 3. Now by the coefficient of x, both the side is divided, minus 3 by 2, then this 2 and 2 will be cancelled, that is x equal to, it is minus 3 by 2. Then the solution of the equation 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 is found, minus 1 and minus 3 by 2. Therefore roots of the equation is minus 1 and minus 3 by 2. So that students, I hope that you have understood it properly. Therefore I am going to give 2 more homeworks to solve at home by yourself. That is homework number 1, solve x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, and number 2 is solve 3x square plus 10x plus 7 is equal to 0. These 2 homeworks to be done by yourself at home. In the next class, once again we shall discuss how to solve another maths by the same method, factorisation method. Okay students, thank you. Try this.